What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Hyper the Guy. You know it's Hyper the Guy, man. Got my brother with me.
This is the guy, man. Welcome to the Guy Squad. If you guys are new here, you should consider subscribing, man.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? We got a little special treat, you know what I'm saying? It's a little Lou Ratchet, you know, he's back once again. You know, he's the GOAT. We got a lot of respect for Lou Ratchet, you know what I'm saying?
Always.
The video is called Why People Say Bless You After a Sneeze. And you know what I'm saying? We about to get right into this. Hit the like button, subscribe, like,
Right,
you know what I'm saying?
Here's the 1K, bro. We so close, bro. So
That's
close.
right. So close. Is he in bed?
Yeah, he's in the hospital.
Oh, bruh.
What's up, bro?
You ain't gonna lie, I hate hospitals.
Real shit.
You ain't hear about it? The nigga sneeze. Everybody seen it. Everybody was out there. I'm out there in the yard doing something. Next thing you know, some pollen gets in the nigga nose.
Was his allergy? What's going on?
I'm up in this motherfucker. Bruh. I didn't think I was gonna make it. I think I seen the light too.
What
They
the
said
fuck?
I can't be around nothing that's gonna make me sneeze. Be here for a couple more weeks, I'm gonna be good. I'm gonna just have to stay
Couple more
indoors.
weeks?
I can't eat.
What?
Yo, nah.
Tell me you ain't gonna let me sneeze again, nigga. Don't let me sneeze again.
No back.
They can feed me good though. I know that much. But you bring me some?
Bring him a flower.
They
Maybe
brought me
that is
some nice
like,
little
what is
cards.
this?
I don't know
Got a
about that.
little teddy bear with an orange band on.
He just throw that shit away.
They ain't bring no food. They can't fit here, can we? Yeah, they been giving a nigga sponge baths too.
I like that tattoo.
I roll
Yeah,
up
this
and
is
let him
fire.
hit my back a little bit. You handle that business for me? Get the nurse for me. Tell the nurse, bring me in some more animal crackers. This is all new to me. I ain't know a nigga had allergies. But I appreciate you coming to see me.
Bro, I hate allergies, bro.
I
That's just the
appreciate
worst.
you.
Yeah, I
We
feel
just getting
bad.
up. We getting
I
up.
was in
I
here
feel bad for all y'all that
and a couple
got allergies,
visitors.
bro.
Nobody
I know
really.
my
That shit's
brother got
ass.
that shit.
What's
yeah.
that? You got
That should
some
be so
cologne?
much, bro.
Back up, bro.
Oh, he's got to sneeze again. Oh, it's raps. It's raps.
Nah, bro. We about, yeah. Bro, I don't understand. Hold up, bro. What did I just watch for real, dude?
Bruh.
I'm so confused.
Alright, so he got put in the hospital from a sneeze. Everybody looked at him. Nobody said bless you.
Oh, damn. That's tough.
Yeah, not bad. I need some water. You need some water?
Oh, yeah,
I
man.
mean, you want some? Drink your water.
Yeah, man. Drink your water. Guys, look at this little cap. You can. Look, bro.
Alright, man. If that video made you laugh at all, drop a like in the video, man. It only helps us. Literally only helps us. Comment down below. Tell us what you guys want us to react to next or what you guys want to see on the channel. Subscribe to the channel, man.
Yes, sir.
Literally just hit 400 subs. Trying to get the 1K, bro. Help us out. Keep on subbing up. You're on the road to 1 mil. So, you got anything to say, bro?
You know what I'm saying? That's all I gotta say. The same thing he did, you know what I'm saying? Hit the like button, subscribe, you know what I'm saying?
Alright.
Hit the comments what you want us to react to, you know what I'm saying? We always here, and we got special plans, you know, we're not just, you know, we don't only do reactions, we do other things too.
I'm running a lot of stuff on the channel, guys. Just
That's right.
make sure you're subbed up. It's my cat.
She really just jumped from the couch.
She
That's
likes
crazy.
to jump everywhere. But that's all we got for you guys today, man. We love you guys. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace out. Drink your water.
Drink your water, man.